Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two VPN platforms, which is ExpressVPN and ProtonVPN. So to get started, in 2025 ExpressVPN and ProtonVPN are both top choice, but they serve slightly different users. So ExpressVPN is known for its speed, ease of use, and excellent streaming capabilities. It's great for apps who want a plug and play VPN that works smoothly across all devices with a strong security and thousands of global servers. Talking about ProtonVPN, on the other hand, focus heavily on privacy and transparency. It's based in Switzerland, has a free plan, and offers advanced features like secure core and Tor over VPN. While it's not always as fast as ExpressVPN, it's a strong choice for privacy-focused users or those looking for a free or more technical VPN solution. And here's a very conclusion. You can simply choose the ExpressVPN for the fastest and easiest all-around VPN, or you can simply go with ProtonVPN if privacy and extra security features are your top priority. And that's it. Let me know in the comment below what you think about these two VPN platforms, which is ExpressVPN and ProtonVPN. Thanks.